Hello friends, day 129 started off with me raising myself out of the cemetery and going and having breakfast with Nigel in his lovely camper van, and then I set off back along the Cotswold Way, and I did a bit of the Cotswold Way and a bit of the Monarch's Way, and they're both really nice, but I'm still loving the Cotswold Way. And I met Roger, one of the Bristol Four. Sadly, he couldn't be here in person this evening, but he did make the effort and come and see me in Wooton under Edge, and it was lovely to see him again. And thank you, Roger, for making all that effort and driving over to see me. And I hope you're having a great evening. We are. And as you'll find out shortly, I have met up with the other three of the Bristol Four this evening and Nigel, and we are having dinner in the Wishing Well. So let's have a look at where I've been today, and I will see you on the trail.
Jules.
Hi, I'm Fran.
And I'm Rick, and this is Rog in virtuality. We first met Chris just before Tan Hill when we were doing the Pennine Way back in May, and we subsequently bumped into him a number of times, and then Fran and I then met up with him again at John O'Groats, and being the Bristol Four, three and a bit today as we are, we thought and we said that we would meet up with him again when he was near Bristol. So lo and behold, trying to be true to our word, we met up with him the other day, and we've now met up with him on effectively the outskirts of the northeast of Bristol.
Codrington.
A place called Codrington, and we're currently sat in a local establishment known as the Wishing Well, prior to eating a meal, hopefully.
God's own country.
God's own country.
Great to see Chris again.
Yes, good to see him, and wish him well for the remaining sub 300 miles or so.
See you on the trail.
We'll see you on the trail.
And it's not a race, you know.
And it's not a race, you know.
Can I just point out, I've got copyright on that phrase. Only I can say, Chris, it's not a race.